All right, guys, we're gonna keep going on putting this thing together. I didn't have the right hinge pins, couldn't find them. We ended up knocking some of the bushings out for paint anyway and cracking them. So we're gonna pull this off and get the hinge pins in and keep moving forward. All right, guys, we're back down here. It's next weekend. There's just so much little stuff we're buttoning up on here. I just kind of haven't filmed a lot of it. But I can show you, we're starting to get some of the wiring done. And I got all the bed bolts in. We got all the cab mounts in. I don't know if you guys remember, if you've seen, I mentioned I got solid cab mounts just to help reinforce the frame and stiffen it up. So now we're just getting everything bolted back together. After this, we're gonna start putting the doors back together. And like I said, we're working on the wiring in there, just putting everything together. All right, guys, we got her turned around. We got the whole cab bolted on. Everything underneath pretty much bolted down. The bed's fully bolted on. We got the seat in it. We got the latches in it. The doors are opening and closing. I need to get some locks for it, and I need to paint my handles, so waiting to put the windows in before I do that. And I'm hoping next week or the week after we'll be sliding the motor in this thing and getting that all hooked up. So stay tuned and we'll see you then.